because the technology now exists.
We had problems getting the desired temperatures in this particular pool, so we installed the reversible system in the pool and obtained great results. In fact, we were able to bring the water temperature up to 30 degrees centigrade or 86 degrees Fahrenheit.
Warm water at any time, now an affordable reality.
People were talking to each other, and every day, day after day, we had more and more people every day because the temperature of the water was warm, so it was very fun for everybody to swim in very nice water and hot.
HVAC-Concept's unique technology of reversible systems can be used to warm or cool water according to your needs. Even more important, the cutting-edge technology of this reversible system reduces the energy bill from 40 to 70%. Incidentally, Hydro-Quebec has studied at length the heat pump technology.
In water parks, we noticed it was very cost-effective to use the heat pump technology, and it's a good deal more efficient than what is usually used for other projects.
Reversible systems do not use and do not generate energy. They retrieve the heat in the ambient air to transfer it into the pool. Whether at night, during cold weather, or on a sunny day, the energy efficiency is exceptional. It's a unique defrosting device that, if needed, injects concentrated heat retrieved from the air, warming the entire energy collector area. This process increases efficiency and gives unparalleled results at low temperature.
This system proved itself last summer in Quebec. We had a cold and rainy summer. Before, without the reversible system, we used electric water heaters and got trouble in attempting to obtain a water warmer than 74 or 75 degrees Fahrenheit.
HVAC-Concept is an import, export, and distribution company specialized in innovative technologies from the renewable energy field. It works very hard to find solutions and to develop products that contribute to reduce energy consumption. Over the years, this unique knowledge has been rewarded many times with Technology Innovative Awards and a research fund. The HVAC-Concept team is driven by a passion for innovation and is committed to put its knowledge to good use for its clients. All the research and development work done during the past few years now translates into the market release of a complete product line, distributed between 17 models from 16,000 to 3 million BTU to meet all project types, from residential to the hotel industry to mega water and Olympic parks. HVAC-Concept's distributors now benefit from major competitive advantages, allowing them to develop new markets that until now were not open to them. In only one operation, its modular concept boosts the installation of several units, which lowers the installation cost as well as the technical difficulties.
Early last summer, we asked the HVAC company to undertake a comprehensive analysis of our actual energy needs for the entire water park over the entire summer, and we obtained great results. The study shows with actual figures that we can save up to 3.2 million kilowatt hours.
In addition, HVAC-Concept gives you the opportunity to benefit from its expertise by offering to perform an exhaustive analysis of your project. After collecting a lot of data on site and using modeling, HVAC will work with you to determine precisely your energy balance. Thanks to its expertise and line of products, HVAC-Concept will suggest the most suitable solution for your needs.
HVAC were very professional. They help us a lot to bring the good heater. So right after the first time we had the good heater, and it makes the job very well.
HVAC-Concept's reversible systems become an obvious choice in a very competitive business market.